Hi everyone, hope all of you are doing fine during these COVID times and you're keeping safe, your family is safe. So today video, we are going to tell some good tips and tricks how you can work on your biceps, how you can work on your triceps, how you can build those big guns which you have been always aspiring for. I'm going to share some quick tips and tricks, a few exercises which can help you reach your goal. Here we go. Step 1. You need to increase weekly volume of training. So what we mean by that is that in order to achieve an optimal muscle growth, you need to work on that particular muscle group at least 2 times in a week. The next thing what you should focus on is tempo training. You can always follow a 40-20 rule or a 20-10 rule. For easier understanding, I have listed down the main components of tempo training: eccentric contraction, stretch position, concentric contraction, and contracted position. Try to follow the same length of time. It is not desired that you have to lift a very heavy weight when following tempo training. Step 3. This is one of the most important steps which mostly everyone skips and they complain of not having a bigger arm size. That is stretching. Stretching is very important when it comes to muscle growth. We are not, asking you to stretch beyond your capacity, but yes, whenever you work on any muscle group, leave aside arms, stretching is the most important part to avoid any injuries and to have a good muscle growth for the muscle group you have worked upon today. Few exercises now which you should focus upon when you're doing your arm workout. One of them is tricep dips. It is a very common exercise and people they actually skip this exercise thinking that okay, this is a common exercise and easier to do, but then this is a most important exercise when it comes to your tricep growth. So definitely you should perform tricep dips. I would say perform at least 3 sets with 8 reps, tempo of 20-10 and rest 60 seconds. This would definitely pump up your tricep and give you more growth. Next is a very important exercise for biceps, which is the standing bicep curls. It is one of the most prime exercises to grow your bicep. It pumps up your forearms as well as affects your inner and outer biceps. This one is personally my favorite, which is the chin-ups. There is a big difference between chin-ups and pull-ups. You can see the positions of the person doing chin-ups and pull-ups mentioned here. For your bicep growth, you have to do inverted grip chin-ups. Chin-ups are a big time factor when it comes to the overall bicep growth, the forearm growth. It also affects your back and helps grow even your upper chest areas. So yes, you are actually working on 4 muscle groups when you're doing chin-ups. Many people ask me that how do you get that peak of the bicep? How you define the length of your bicep? This is one of the most important factors when it comes to an overall definition of your arms. So concentration curls play a big part. I normally prefer concentration curls in the end of my arms workout. Normally a repetition range of 10 with say a 10 kg to a 15 kg dumbbell works for me. Okay, lastly I would like to list skull crushers. It is again one of a good exercise to improve your tricep growth. You can perform skull crushers with dumbbells or with a straight rod or with a curls rod. It depends whichever you are comfortable with and which part of your tricep you want to focus more upon. Skull crushers can also be done on an inclined bench or on a flat bench. Keep these exercises in your basic routine and I'm sure you're going to blast off those big guns of yours. Hope you liked the video and it was informative enough. For more details, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow me on Facebook or Instagram with the ID GFitnessOfficial.